Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this will be a review of the Graco Quick Connect Pack and Play Playard. This is unusual of me of doing the entire review, but my son was with me, as you can see in the video, and what I had to do a voiceover on this one. So we'll be reviewing all the things that came into it. We'll unbox all the stuff in it, and we'll see how it turns out, right? So first, we are unpacking all of the things that came on with it. There were so this particular model had a changing pad, kind of an area, changing station they call it. Then they also had a removable bassinet kind of a thing that you can take out of the Playard and place it anywhere, and you can keep it hooked to the thing as well. So this is the bassinet that I'm trying to unfold. So we take this out. Let's go ahead and do the other things. And with this, and this is the changing station, what they call it, and it is like wipeable, so it doesn't get dirty or stuff. All of that. We are actually now using it. It's been a month since we had a baby now. So yeah. Next on, we unpack the rods. Then this was a foldable thing that came on with it. I had no idea what that was. There's an angular side to it, or we will be looking at that as well. So let's unfold this and see what comes into that. This is more like a mattress. It's a soft piece. You can put a mattress on top of this, but this is a soft enough piece that your baby can lay down on that straight. And this is the actual whole thing, right? We also get a bag with this, so if you want to carry this around, you're going for a picnic or you're going, let's say, camping. You won't do that with a very young one, but if you're going somewhere like after 3-4 months or anywhere and you want to have a bed dedicated for the baby, you can take this along with you. It's, again, as you can see, it's pretty foldable. You can fold the entire thing into this soft mattress kind of a thing and take it along with you. So that's that, and now what we'll be trying to do is we'll try to attach things in order. Let's check the review, and let's check the manual for this and see how things are done. Okay, I think our bases have been covered now, and now we will try to attach the neck to this, the actual thing that will hold up the mattress together, right? So let's put that on. So there are hooks on the side which you can attach, which you can that makes it secure. So there's we'll put it on the 4 sides. Just to ensure that the entire thing is attached well to it, right? Okay, now that the net is attached, let's attach this thing here. That is good. And it moves. It has that wiggle, which is good actually. Initially, I thought that it was just the build quality was not that good, but now that we are actually experiencing it, now that we are actually using it, we feel that that actually is a good thing when we want the baby to swing a little bit. When he wakes up a little bit and we just need to swing a little bit and he goes to sleep. So that was pretty good. We'll try to attach the portable bassinet now and see the stability for that. I'm not a manual guy per se. If I would have read that these things were not being attached to this at all, they directly go into the stand that they have provided, and we'd be doing that now. Okay, finally figured out where the rods go. Let's see how these things get attached. I was pretty dumb in attaching these ones. Unlike the stroller, in the stroller I was able to fix everything in the first go, but this was a little trickier than I expected it to be. I would be making a big blunder here, and you'll know that while we move ahead. Okay, so it's attached. But this is not the right way to do it. They attach securely onto the. So there are specific holes to that. This was very interesting. There were specific holes to this entire thing, and they attach it only in position. So you can't do it anywhere in the center or anything. So that's a good thing and a bad thing. So good thing is that you know that it's secure now from this point on. But it's bad because if you want to shift around, you can't. But you can shift around the changing pad to a different side and the move portable bassinet to the other side, but you can't do it otherwise. I'm still trying to figure it out how to do things, and let's continue. No, these things don't go there. No, no, come on, Sabi, you could do better. No, 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 no. Move these, move these. Finally, you got the right part. Finally, you got the right part. Okay, you're doing good. Go ahead, go ahead. Yep, that's how they connect. That's how they connect. Connected finally, yes. So this is how it gets connected. It sits securely in this place and in this place, and they don't move. So the up thing, you can stick it out. So there are stick-ons available for that. You can stick it through. They are pretty secure. They don't fall off. I was expecting that this again is a bad build quality. The entire thing is cheap. It's you can find it around $150. I did. On Graco, I think it sells for $220, but you can find it around $150 right now. It's on $150. It felt like again it was very cheap. The baby might not be secure, but after using it for a month, I think it's pretty good. Honestly, it has the gap in between, but the overall stitching is so good that you don't feel that it's a bad thing when you start using it. So that's good. That's done. The one thing that I've now pulled on is the side pocket. It attaches on the side. I probably wouldn't do that. I think I did that later on because I was not able to figure out at that time, and I was getting stressed because things were not being fixed. You can attach it on both sides. Both sides have the same thing. How to attach it? It's just a little clip-on. I will fail at this right now, and I will just throw it away and say that I'll do it later. But that's how that gets attached. So that's that, and now I'll be moving on to the changing station and fixing that changing station onto the incorrectly fixed rods that I have right now. So let's see how that goes. See the look on my face, I'm so tensed. But interestingly, there are like side clip-ons. Again, those are very genius. And you put those, there are 3 clips, you put those in. Those are like plastic material. These are like plastic things. But you put this in and they're very securely attached to it. Like, I was pretty surprised at how stable this is right now. Again, at that time, I thought that, maybe it's not that good. But they're pretty secure. And here there is no opening. And I just realized, look at my expressions. Oh, crap. I just realized that this is not the way it had to be done. Now I have to take out those plastic clips that I just attached. I'm taking those out now, and this will be bad. I will have to take out everything in this regard with the changing station thing, and we'll have to do this all over again. So stick on to it. nightmare to get rid of. Now I'm finding things to get this out, because there's that screw that pops in, not a screw, but like a clip that pops in, and you have to press it real hard for that to be out and then take it out. So it's good, it doesn't come out like just like that, but it was tough to get that, and my nails were like so small, and they were hurting my fingers. Finally one out, but the entire 4 things takes a lot of time, and my fingers were all, I wouldn't say swollen, but it was pretty, see, oh my god, I feel bad for myself, but okay. I did it wrong. I should have read the manual, and this would have been there, I'm sure. But let's walk this through. Success. That was a success. Now we'll be fixing it correctly. So these rods go inside that opening that is there. There's a cloth opening. You don't have any stick-ons or anything that you can take out the clothing and put it on. So you just have to drag it down, and that's how you do it. And then you attach the clips to it. So we put both rods in, and that's how we do it. Okay, so it's done and it's secure. Let's put this on. So you see those glue things, they will fit onto that, nothing on the sides. So you know you're placing it on the right side. There's the play pan, and then you place this thing on the other side, and we can get a final look of how things look here. So it attaches on the blue side, go in, and then they attach on the other side blue. It would go in. They can only come out when you press a button. Even if you try to take it out without, you see, it's quite stable. Like it won't come out. Same for both of them. And this is how the entire playpan looks. We've been using it for the last 1 month. Our baby is like 4 weeks and 3 days now, and this looks pretty sturdy. It's good. It works out well. The changing station has been really helpful. Although the baby has to be changed like everywhere, but the changing station has been helpful. The movable bassinet has been very helpful. I just put the baby in. If he's crying, I just take it out without any issues. I take it out, I move him around the house, I place it somewhere, I place it on the ground. It is also it does have a little wiggle room as well, and that's how the entire thing works. So thank you for watching, and see you in the other one. Bye.